go again.
Hello. I'm Kelly.
Okay, well, I'm Huck. How you know me?
Welcome to our pre-travel day, everybody.
Pre-travel day.
Today we are driving up to Denver. It is currently 6:37 p.m. in the evening.
PM in the evening.
We all went to school and work today, so it feels really weird going to Denver this late.
Yeah,
we're
it's strange. Okay, sorry.
You're not
But we're gonna spend the night in Denver at the Courtyard. We stayed there when we went to Hawaii, as I've been informed.
So that's been 2 years?
3.
4.
4? It's been 4 years since we went to Hawaii and London?
2018.
I thought it was 2019.
Okay, but it's at least 3.
I think it was, yeah. Whoa.
Hold on, guys, I have a picture. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
2019.
Okay,
So 3 years.
3 years.
Almost exactly 3 years.
Right.
It was 3 years in October that we went to London.
It was
3
September
years.
September when we went to Hawaii. So, and this is September.
Mm-hmm. So 3 years almost to the day.
Holy cow.
Anyways,
Now it's
tomorrow
bright.
we're flying to London. Actually, tomorrow we're flying to LAX, just like Miley Cyrus once did. Anyways, so, and then we're gonna fly to London. I know we're gonna go from Los Angeles to London. That's pretty redundant, right? That's the way
Yeah,
it
we
works
gotta
out.
go backwards to go forwards.
And then we're gonna go to London, and then we're gonna go to Dover, and then we're gonna eat Emma and John, and then we're gonna go to Norway.
Woo!
Anyways, I'm done talking now.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes, very. How's it going? I look really good. I've got my Norway hat on, but I'm sporting work clothes because why change? We're gonna change tomorrow for flying.
For the flying.
For the flying. Now I get to go driving, not the flying.
I rocked up at school in sweatpants and sweatshirt.
Woo!
Yay, you. You go, girl.
I looked good too.
Yeah, I bet you did.
Tell them who we are if they don't know who we are.
If you don't know who we are, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Kelly.
No, that was wrong. It was so wrong.
If you don't know who we are,
I'm Bob,
and I'm Kelly.
and that.
Kiya!
Yay! So glad to meet you.
Thanks for coming along.
Yep.
Let's go to Norway.
Yeah. Let's go to Denver first.
Let's go to Denver first. And then let's go to LA. And then let's go to London. And then let's go to Norway.
And let's go to Dover. Then we go to Norway. Yeah, there's our itinerary right there.
Yeah. Denver, LA, Dover. No,
London.
Okay. Denver,
Mom.
LA, London, Dover, Norway.
I totally just explained that 5 minutes ago.
Right. We're gonna do planes, trains, and
Yay,
automobiles.
redundancy. Okay,
Okay.
here we go.
We're done.
Play.
6:30. It was a little after 6:30. 7:30 now. Yeah.
Okay. We're starting at the Courtyard Marriott at Gateway Park.
Which is about 2 miles from the airport. It's
Yeah.
not that far.
No, not that far at
No.
all.
But we're gonna park at the train station and take the train in, and that's just right down there. That's like a mile from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So
this
anyway.
gets closed for tomorrow morning, so we don't have to like drive up here tomorrow morning.
Right.
All right, let's go check in.
All right.
Woo!
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
We made it
Yeah.
to the Courtyard. We're
Hi, Mary.
inside. Kaya's on her phone as usual.
Or is she on your phone?
She's on my phone.
She should be on.
Do you want to? Should we show them around?
Sure. Go ahead.
So, Courtyard Marriott Gateway Park. That's a door. This is a sliding door for the bathroom. It's a pretty big bathroom, actually. One sink, large shower, shampoo and conditioner and stuff's on the wall. Those are big ones. And me, hello. There's our luggage getting ready to go. They're whispering about me.
No.
What are you whispering?
That I have goldfish.
I'm
Okay.
whispering about how we ate an hour ago and I'm already
You're
ready
hungry?
to eat.
Okay. So, not a table on both sides, sadly. But Ingenious Bob took the table from under there and put it over there for me, because there is a plug underneath there, as you can see. We have a lovely parking lot view down that way. And this is our room. So we have a microwave, lots of floor space for luggage, by the way. And some drawers, and a one, and those are shelves. We have a refrigerator, ice bucket, microwave, coffee maker, large TV, a desk for some working, and plenty of USB plugs, just 2 on that side it looks like. And then there's some more drawers over there. And a little luggage holder. And a creepy Bob. What are you guys doing in there?
Creepy Bob.
What are you guys doing in there?
Staying out of your way.
Creepy Bob goes back to London. Kaya's checking out the lotion. What do you think of the lotion there?
I remember it.
You remember it? It's the smells bring back memories.
No, the bottle.
Oh, okay. All right. Here we are. Yay. It's 10 to 8, right?
Yes, 10 to 8.
Okay.
Still.
Cool.
So it's cool. Would you rather arm wrestle?
Yeah, we got Kaya and I have a deal.
No, but I'm gonna.
We're either gonna rock, paper, scissors for the window or arm wrestle.
We're not gonna arm wrestle.
Okay, we're gonna rock, paper,
'Cause
scissors.
you-
Or you can guess the number between 1 and 10.
Oh,
Okay.
How?
okay. Do you want to guess the number?
Hang on. I'm gonna make it harder. Between 1 and 20.
Okay. This is for the window,
You go first. Mo.
people. 1 and 20. I'm gonna say 15.
17.
Bingo! On the number.
Seriously?
Yes.
17?
was the number.
It's because it's your birthday, right?
No, I just picked it. I didn't even think about it being my birthday.
Wait, but that's what I thought too, because the first thing that popped in my head was 17.
So you get the window.
So
I do get the
17.
window.
But you know what?
You get the window on the way back.
Nope.
Maybe,
Yes.
but
No, you do.
maybe that's the deal. Usually, if you get the window on the way out, I
No,
get the way
That
back.
was part of the deal.
Yes.
Yeah, I know,
So
but
you said
That's part of
yes.
the deal.
we've been keeping a secret.
We all get windows.
We all get windows.
Wait, are we going to first class?
Yes.
No way.
Yes.
Wait, on the way back or two?
2.
Lay down flat.
Let's go! Are you for real?
For real.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh, I don't have to worry about sleeping anymore. Screw the sticky ride. That's just so much better.
Did you know?
No?
No? Are you sure you didn't know?
We kept it a secret.
How would I know?
We kept it a secret for
We
almost
did
a
for-
year.
Yeah, wait, almost a year?
No, it was just since January. That's when we booked this
Okay,
stuff.
9 months. We've been keeping this a
Keeping
secret.
this a secret. You know how hard it was to keep a secret?
It's because I'm a gossip queen.
And your dad has almost
I
spilled the
almost
beans.
screwed up like 3-4 times.
Like 3-4 times, yes.
Well, I didn't. And in case we haven't noticed, I'm kind of oblivious sometimes.
But then there was one time you almost figured it out because Mom sent a text and you were looking at my text and it said, "You'll see," because we were talking about her seat in first class.
Oh.
And you were like, "What's this? We'll see." And I said,
for
I
real?
said, covered it up.
And then one time we were at the airport and your dad's like, "There's the lounge. We get to go to the lounge." I'm like, "Shut up."
Oh.
We get to go to the lounge.
Guys,
get
I
to go
really
to the
do not
lounge.
listen.
Okay,
'Cause I
good.
do not remember any of that.
No, okay.
Anyways, last week or a couple days ago, I was like, man, I really wish we had first class. Because it would be so much more enjoyable.
We're flying first class.
We're flying first
For the
class.
9 hours.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
10 hours. 10 hours.
Well,
and
we
20
were flying first class from Denver
we're
to
flying
LA
both ways first.
and from
No,
LA
no.
to London.
From Denver to LA and LA to London, we're flying first class.
No way.
On the way home, we're flying premium economy.
So it's just 2 seats.
But it's premium select, so they're bigger seats.
They're bigger seats.
And it's going to be you and your mom and me
Okay.
on the aisle.
Yeah, your dad will just be across because
Oh.
it's 222.
222.
Well,
Because the seats are bigger.
I still won the picking game, by the way.
You
but-
did.
You did win. It was a number that just popped into my head and it
But-
popped into your head.
We're like,
Guys, that's so cool.
how are we gonna tell her?
Okay, because I was so salty about.
I know.
I know, we can, every time you'd say that, we're like going, you're going, I know, Paul, that's like that. And I was like,
And I'm not gonna be able to sleep or nah 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 nah.
Guys, this is cool.
Yeah. I know. I was singing all the way up here because. Tell them about the sticky rice story.
oh yeah, okay. So Kiya says we were talking about snacks on the plane. So do you want snacks on the plane? Kiya goes, I want sticky rice. You know, like sushi rice, because I make sushi rice.
Kaya likes just to
And
eat
she just
sticky
likes the
rice.
sticky rice. She puts soy sauce on it, and she eats it like candy. It's good. Anyway, so I made her some sticky rice last night, even knowing that we're going to be in the lounge and we're going to be in first class. But I had to keep up the ruse. I didn't just get to say, dude, you're not going to want sticky rice because
Right.
we're going to be in
There's
first
gonna be a
class.
lot of food.
But I made it, and we packaged it up today, put it in a plastic bag, stuck it in the fridge so it would stay cold. And guess what? We forgot the sticky rice.
So I was singing all the way up here. I'm like, this is gonna make leaving the sticky rice behind better.
Yeah, but I even said screw the
Yeah, that's what you
sticky
said. Screw the
Yeah, she
sticky rice.
did. She said, "Screw the sticky rice." But
So, boo, we're going first class. Okay, that's enough bragging.
okay,
We will see you.
in a little bit.
Yeah.